Hello, brothers and sisters, especially those of you who are in the state of Michigan. I am currently inside the airport, the Cape Town Airport, International Airport here in South Africa, on my way to Michigan. And that is the reason why I am making this video, to let you know that we will be meeting in Michigan this coming Sabbath, which will be Sabbath the 5th of July 2025. It will be at the Holiday Inn Express and Suites, Detroit, Farmington Hills. Again, that's the Holiday Inn Express and Suites, Detroit, Farmington Hills. The address is 32769 Northwestern Highway, Farmington Hills, Michigan 48334. Again, the address 32769 Northwestern Highway, Farmington Hills, Michigan 48334. It will be Sabbath the 5th, this coming Sabbath, beginning at 10 in the morning, 10 a.m. And we will have a lunch prepared for everyone. But if you have diet restriction, gluten-free or so on, let us know ahead of time. Respond to this video either with a comment or your email. You can email us or you can give us a call. We are looking forward to be back to the US. As I mentioned, we are at the airport in about an hour and a half or so from now. We will be boarding our flight, returning to Michigan. We want to thank you for your prayers and for your support. Once again, share this information with others who might be interested. Even if you are not able to join us, share it with somebody else so that they might come. Perhaps they might be interested in joining us as we come together this coming Sabbath, the 5th of July 2025, to worship God in spirit and in truth, to study the prophecies as they are being fulfilled very, very rapidly. Looking forward to meet you there. Until then, may the Lord richly bless you.
faith